Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. First of all, happy Independence Day to all my Indian viewers. And I'm here with an Independence Day special video where I have used orange, green and blue colors on my eyeshadow. This is a golden smoky glam eye look that I have created with Lakme and Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I will share a lot of tips and tricks about how to make your droopy eyes look lifted. So without further ado, let's dive right into this tutorial. First, I am taking this warm brown transition shade from the palette and I will be applying it as my transition shade onto my crease with my Wet n Wild blending eyeshadow brush. To place your transition shade correctly, you should look down and keep your brush from the above and start blending it round circular motions and windshield wiper motions to get a perfect transition shade onto your crease. The logic behind this is when you're looking down, you are able to see the whole eyelid and you will be able to place your colors properly. Next, I will be taking this Maybelline gel eyeliner and will make a wing on the outer corners of my eyes. Do not start your wing from extreme outer corners of your eyes, as you can see that I have not lined the whole eyeline and made the wing a lot more before. This step gives the illusion of your eyes looking lifted. With the Wet n Wild pencil brush, I will be smoking out the eyeliner. Take your time in this step, use less black color if you're a beginner, because if placing your black color goes wrong, your whole eye look will go wrong. Keep on smudging till you're satisfied. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account, I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. Next up, I will be taking this green color from the palette on my pencil brush and I will be applying it on top of the smoky line. Another tip, if you face a lot of fallouts, then you should tap the product onto your eyelid and then you can blend the product. That way you will not face much fallout. Moving on, I will be taking this orange shade from the palette on my pencil brush and I will be applying it on my crease. I am doing this to intensify the crease. You can check out these videos, link is in the description box or the I button. Then I will be taking my PAC 274 brush and with the same orange color I will be blending it further so that there are no harsh edges and the color mix with the transition shade better. Then I will be taking a clean fluffy blending brush and buff out the transition shade so that there are no harsh edges. Always remember, blending is the key to a good eyeshadow look. Now with a micellar water and a cotton pad, I will be cleaning out the inner corners of my eyes. This is an important step. This will help to make your eyes look lifted. I will take an angular brush and pick up the golden shade from the palette and I will be applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. Light color makes your eyes look much bigger and brighter. Light and bright colors will make your eyes look more open and bigger. And if you have large eyes and you want to make it smaller, then you need to use dark colors on your eyelid to make it look smaller. With my pencil brush, I will be blending the two colors again and I will be taking the fluffy brush and I will be mixing the golden shade with the olive shade. Next up, I will be taking this highlighting shade from the palette on my precision brush and I will be highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And also I will be highlighting my brow bone. I will be going back to my blending brush and I will be blending my crease again to make everything look seamless. Then I will be applying my eyeliner. I am using my Lakme Iconic liquid liner to make the inner V because the liquid liner is easier to make the inner corner V. It is a personal preference, you can choose a gel eyeliner as well. After that, I will be making a wing liner and also I will be applying a black color on my lower lash line. I am using my Maybelline gel kajal to do that. Then I will be taking this orange shade from the palette on my pencil brush and I will be applying it on the lower lash line. I will be using a blue color on my lower lash line. The last step is mascara. I am using the Color Bar mascara. This mascara has two sides. one side gives volume and one side gives lengthening. I'm using the lengthening side as I will be going on with the false lashes. Here I will be using Bronson Professional's false lashes, and this is my final look after wearing lashes. Comment down below how was the look and what else do you want to see next on my channel. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Share this video with your friends and family, and if you recreate this look, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.